Hi friends, my name is Rujan and you are watching Technical Pull-Up YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about the Miui 12.5 Enhanced Edition. Yes my friends, today we are going to be talking about the Miui 12.5 Enhanced Edition. What are the new changes in this operating system and which devices got the software update? This new Miui 12.5 software update. So all information I am gonna give in this video. So please like the video, share the video to someone else and subscribe down below. If you have done all these, let's get started. So as you can see, I have several Miui 12.5 enhanced edition photos shared on my Telegram channel. If you have not seen it, you can join our new Telegram channel by going into the link in the description box below. So yeah, you can check it out later. But as you can see here, this is the new leaked Miui 12.5 enhanced image, as you can see here, and here the Mi 11X Pro users in China also getting the new Miui 12.5 enhanced edition. As you can see, there is this new changelog with this new arrow. So these are written in the Chinese letters, but I can't read them for you. So yeah, it is the new Miui 12.5 enhanced edition is rolling out in the China. So yeah, if you are a Chinese user, you can go and check your software updates if you are using Mi 11X Pro. So let's talk about the features here. So as you can see, there are a lot of features, but they are written in the Chinese letters. So as you can see, I'm gonna show you a little bit moment. Miui 12.5 enhanced edition. Today no new features are released. This means that in Miui 12.5 enhanced edition there will be no new features, but there will be a lot of optimization over here. But we will show the achievements and progress in optimizing the system in last 6 months. So as you can see, there are a lot of bugs fixed 160 system header issues like that, as you can see. So let's talk about what are the improvements in the Miui 12.5 enhanced edition. So as you can see in the changelog, they have written this: the improved version of Miui 12.5 enhanced edition adds liquid storage. Now what is liquid storage? As you can see here, liquid storage, highly sensitive monitoring of the degree of fragmentation and the efficiency of defragmentation increases by 60%. The Xiaomi Mi 11 Pro lab simulation test shows that the read and write attention is less than 5% after 36 months of use, and the phone is smoother as ever. Basically, Xiaomi is telling that in their new version of Miui 12.5, the storage technologies have gone to the next level, and you would get all-time no laggy performance. So yeah, that is also a good thing. When we talk about next, now these were the little bit improvements in the Miui 12.5. And there are also a lot new features here, but let's talk about which devices will get now. So as you can see here, Mi Mix 4, Mi 11 Ultra, Mi 11 Pro, Mi 11, Mi 10 Ultra, Mi 10 Pro, Mi 10s, Mi 10, Redmi K40, Poco F3 or Mi 11X, Redmi K40 Pro, Redmi K30s Ultra, Redmi K30 Pro. And these devices are getting the new update in the China. So yeah, that is also a good thing. And also there is this new feature in control center in Miui 12.5 enhanced edition. Xiaomi has added this new music player. So yeah, it looks simple. And I'm gonna show you the Miui 12.5 enhanced edition website. To visit the website, you need to let me open the Google app here. 1 second. Okay, you need to click on here and then search for home.miui.com. So we need to search this home.miui.com and click on the search icon, and then it would open the website, as you can see. So 1 second here. If if it does not open, I'm gonna open and show you the Miui 12.5 enhanced edition. So let's wait for a while here. So you need to, for accessing the Miui 12.5 enhanced edition website, you need to simply search Miui 12.5 enhanced edition website over here. And if you won't get it, you can simply search over here Miui 12.5. Yeah. So let me just open this website here. So yeah, so currently the website is not available here, so I cannot show you the website, but definitely Miui 12.5 enhanced edition, as you can see there are a lot of posts also here. So yeah, Miui 12.5 enhanced edition website is not available for now, but the new version will definitely improve your performance. So yeah, it's gonna definitely improve your performance, so that is also a good thing here. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, guys, and I need to show you just only a little bit of this information here. So as you can see here, we have successfully opened the Miui 12.5 enhanced website. I'm gonna show you the features over here. Let's translate it into English. Okay, fine optimization, fully smooth. Okay, there are focus calculation, centralized computing power, 51 core scene, smooth and full acceleration, CPU usage drop, stays also fixed, stay stable, atomic memory, ultra fine memory management. Like this, there are a lot of features, improved background resistant capabilities, long like new. Okay, liquid storage, just I told you now. So yeah, there are a lot of features. You need to simply search home.miui.com. that's it. So thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like the video, please like the video, share with someone else, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then press the bell icon. Okay, I'm gonna see you in the next video.